This video explains the new functions available in the Groups window. Open the Groups window and drag it with the left mouse button where you want. With the functions available in this window, you can for example hide or show an object, or create a new custom group. To create a new custom group, just right-click on Groups, then select Create Custom Group, and change the name. Using the right mouse button, you can drag things in the created group, and change the name individually, or reset it to the original one. In the Groups window you are free to organize the sequence of the objects. For example, you can fix one scan on the top. You can also reset all changes. The different objects can also be marked with a specific color, which you can choose using the color scale available. Under the menu item info you will find various information. For example, you can check which implants you have chosen, and through this window, you can also order missing components directly from Zirkonzahn web shop. The Groups window also allows you to save the objects or delete the useless ones. For instance, you can save a wax up as an STL file, or you can delete generic visualization that are no longer needed. If you have the Reality Mode software module, by clicking on True Smile, your scans can be displayed with a natural color. This function is particularly important for a realistic preview of the tooth color, and, by right-clicking on the True Smile button, you can also choose different tooth shades.